Well, you wonder why I always dress in black, why you never see bright colors on my back. Why does my appearance seem to have a somber tone? There's a reason for the things that I have on. Why I wear the black for the poor and beaten down, living on the hopeless, hungry side of town. I wear the black for the prisoner who's long paid for his crime, who's there because he's a victim of the time. I wear it for those who've never read or listened to the words that Jesus said about the road to happiness through love and charity. It's like he's talking straight to you and me. Or doing mighty fine, I do suppose, in our streak of lightning, cars and fancy clothes. But just so we're reminded of the ones that are held back, up front there ought to be a man in black. I work for the sick and lonely old, and the reckless ones whose bad trips left them cold. And I wear the black in mourning for the lives that could have been. Each week we lose 100 fine young men. And I wear it for the thousands who have died, believing that the Lord was on their side. And I wear the black in mourning for the lives that could have been. Each week we lose 100 fine young men. Things never will be right, I know, and things need changing everywhere we go. But until we start to make a move to make a few things right, you'll never see me wear a suit of white. Oh, I'd love to wear a rainbow every day and tell the world that everything's okay. But I'll try to carry off a little darkness on my back until things are brighter. I'm the